here's how to draft a face in NX. We'll go ahead and go to Application, Modeling, and on our Home tab, you'll see that there's a draft option. If you select this draft option, it's going to open up the draft dialog box. Here, we can then decide what faces we want to draft and at what angle. So here, using the face option, this is the one that gives me the best results generally. We can select our vector. We want to draft these faces of the pocket outward or inward, but we want them to be referenced from this direction. So we'll go ahead and select this face or this vector. For our stationary face, it's exactly what it says. This is the stationary face. We'll select our pocket floor because that is the face we do not want to move. For our faces to draft, these will be the faces that you're trying to draft or taper or angle out. We'll go ahead and select each of these faces singularly. And as you see, while I'm clicking on these, it's giving me a preview of what it looks like. All right, so I've selected all of my faces, and you can see the orange line is where the top of the wall was, but at this 14-degree angle that we have here, the wall is kicked out. If I change this to 20, you can see how it's going to taper that wall. And as we do that, it's going to automatically subtract or add to that model based on what you have. So here we have a 30-degree angle, kicking those walls out 30 degrees. Now, if I were to say negative 30, that's too much. NX does not want to do that. Maybe we can go with a negative 5 or a negative 10 for this example. And here you can see that the face now kicks negatively or inward from our original orange top of wall line. We'll go ahead and go back to our positive 30. Then you can just say, okay, and now your walls are drafted outward at that angle. If you scroll over to your modeling tree, you'll then see that there's a draft here. So if the angle is incorrect, you can simply double click that and then change your angle here or change your faces or whatever you need to do. It's fully editable.